How to block ads on OnePlus. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your phone. Then click on Search button located on top right corner of your screen. After clicking on that, search Private DNS. After searching Private DNS, this kind of screen should pop up. Then click on Private DNS. Make sure you have turned it on to Private DNS provider host name. Then type dns.adguard.com. After typing that, click on Save. After saving it, your ads will be blocked on your OnePlus device. As you can see, after save, it's done. And that's how you block ads on OnePlus. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.